Hi, I'm Ryan, and today I'm exploring tables to try out horse riding. Let's go in and find out what it's all about.
Hello, my name is Bunyan and I'm going to teach you how to ride horses. This horse is named Pumpkin and you're gonna ride him.
What a lovely horse. What do you need to become good at horse riding?
You need determination and you need to be concentrated.
How do you take care of a horse?
You brush their mane, their tail, and you can give them a tickle under their chin.
What's the tail?
Yeah, pretty good.
Now, Brian's gonna show you how you should sit on a horse. Right now, I'm on a horse that's called Pumpkin, and now this is the first time that I'm trying to ride a horse.
These are the reins and they help you control the horse. But sometimes the horse may be your biggest opponent, so you have to be friends with the horse.
Here to learn how to horse ride, and I'm super thankful for Brian and Pumpkin for teaching me how to horse ride. And that was today's video. Goodbye!
Brian, what's your name?
I'm
Nice to meet you.
I cannot be riding.
Oh, what's going on there?
This is how you shouldn't sit on a horse.